I devote 1 hour to my mental and physical well-being in the morning hours. The mental well-being by means of meditation and spirituality, and the physical well-being by means of yoga and cardio exercises. And then I go 15 minutes early to my office, and we have a team meeting in my office where we chart out for the day. We discuss the cases and we allocate time to each particular case. And I also pursue my hobbies, such as I love gardening and I like dancing. And I also, at the end of the day, I wind up by listening to some webinars and see the cases on social media. So to get a fulfilling life, you need to plan, and you need to have a very understanding family who can also contribute their time towards the household work. And at the same time, your family should know that you're available in spite of your busy schedule. You're available for them at home. It has to be your passion. And there are, for beginners, for all the young dentists and all the beginners, there are a lot of courses available, and there's a lot of content on social media. Pick up a good brand and start your implant practice.